used Zendesk Side Conversations and don't want to lose that context. The Migrate Side Conversations option has you covered. It's one of our automated custom options, built to keep your team's collaboration history intact. Let's look at the source ticket in Zendesk. You've got side conversations, internal threads with teammates or vendors. In the Migration Wizard, you choose this option under Tickets. Then launch your free demo migration. Once complete, your target ticket displays those same side conversations. If you're moving to another platform, we migrate them as private comments. You'll see the author's name and email noted clearly above each message, so you always know who said what. If you're consolidating two Zendesk accounts, it gets even better. We migrate side conversations in their original form. No formatting lost, no context missing. This feature is perfect for support teams that heavily rely on internal communication. Maybe you looped in legal or escalated issues through side threads. Now you keep it all. Even if your Zendesk access ends, nothing goes missing. Run your free demo migration today and take your side conversations with you, clearly, completely, and seamlessly.